GCSE 9 to 1, June 2018, paper 2H. We're starting with number 3. The line L is shown on the grid. So you have a line L as shown in the figure. They want you to find the equation of line L. So we start with the equation of a general equation of a line, which is y equals ax plus b, where a is the gradient of the line and b is the y-intercept. So if we just look at the graph and find where the line L intersects the y-axis, it's 6. So now b is equal to 6. And if we're going to find the gradient A, we just choose 2 points on this line. So if I choose the point A here and the point B, and I rise and run, because you know that the gradient is rise over run, which is equal to y over x. So I'm going from B to A, so I rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it's plus 6, and then I run 1, 2, so it's plus 2. So the gradient is, or A is equal to 6 over 2, and you simplify it, you get 3. So the equation of line L is equal to y equals to 3x plus 6. Now if you're asking that is it the same if we went from A to B in order to find the gradient, let us check. So if I'm going from A to B, I'm moving rise, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's minus 6 because I'm moving down, and then 1, 2, it's minus 2 because I'm moving to the left. So minus 6 over minus 2 is equal to 3, which is the same answer as the previous gradient that we found. In number, as you can, in number